US-50 is a 10-mile project. It's 2-lane highway with widenings for passing lanes and turn lanes. We have chip seal shoulders, which is a thin surface treatment that extends the life of the asphalt below, and new pavement markings and rumble strips. This project is important to the Wichita region because this seems like a rural road, but it actually sees a lot of traffic. It sees heavy truck traffic, which deteriorates the road and reduces its life. So it needs to be paved more often than you would guess. And it's also a route that you can take to Hutchinson. You could even take US-50 to Colorado. And it's one of the few ways to get there without taking toll roads. So it's important because it is deceptively high traffic. The process starts with milling. We mill 1 3/4 inches, and that void is where we place the asphalt. We measure the depth. We don't want it too shallow. We don't want it too deep because that affects the quantity of the material that is used. And we're also checking the teeth of the mill to make sure it's a good milling. We want a good surface for the asphalt to bond to. Next, the paver comes behind the mill. It places the asphalt. We take the tickets from the truck. We make sure that the tickets match the material that it's supposed to be. We make sure that they're paving at the right depth, the right width. We check for imperfections in the mat of the asphalt. This could be rocks or foreign material, and we identify those to let the contractor know to remove them. And we make checks for the slope. Lots of checks on the asphalt. An inspection team on a highway asphalt project like this is so important because we are KDOT's representatives in the field that make sure that the right quantities are being used, the right materials are being used, and being tested to ensure that they conform to the right standard specs, and that the means and methods that they're using to place the material, as well as to set up traffic control, are done in the right way so that the traveling public is not affected. Our no-problem approach means that we take full ownership of the project, from boots on the ground, materials testing, and contract administration. You'll know your project is in good hands with our dedicated team of construction inspectors.